Ezidi district, Şengal, has deeply experienced the ISIS massacre. They were forced to flee from their home and their land. Hundreds of women were raped, kidnapped and brutally murdered. During these massacres and migrations, and despite the danger of death, a group of volunteers gathered to go to the site and recorded the violence. In a period of about 6 months working in the heart of war and slaughter, the team wanted to narrate the 74th massacre in a cinematographic way. The invaders who raid a wedding kill the men and take the women hostage, including the bride. The bride and groom, who were separated on their wedding night, are now struggling to survive. This war that many people in the world are unaware of, though thousands of people were slaughtered, is being told through the eyes of a bride and groom. Shown through the reenactment of those who escaped the persecution, it was filmed where the events actually happened and therefore gives a real feeling of this experience.